Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic. As you may have seen at the end of the previous video on this, there was a bit of a fuel leak coming from underneath the other side through a drain hole. Just try and have a look and work out what it is. I'm hoping it's nothing serious. It smells a little bit petrol-y under here still. Where are we? What can you see? What am I looking for here? Oh, there you go. You see the hose there? Just there. That's where the petrol seemed to be coming from. You can maybe see a little evidence on the drive still. I don't think it's from the cover under there where the fuel filter stuff is, as you'd see on the last one, but I have an idea on what might be causing that, thanks to the guys on the various W124 forum groups. This is the aftermarket eBay, probably Chinesium special fuel filler cap. So I'll swap the seal and I'll pop the original one back on. Hopefully that's the cause. So what I've done, and you may have noticed, I've gone back to the original fuel filler cap. I've changed the seal on that one with the replacement unit, because apparently if that's not sealing properly, it can blow out of there and leak down there, which may well enjoys living in the countryside. It may well have been happening. So yeah, let's see how it goes. But to see more trials with me and my Mercedes, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.